Hi, this is Jason West, and in this video I want to discuss the SEO friendliness of Kartra. A lot of people ask, can you get rankings with websites and pages built with Kartra? So the short answer is yes, you can. And I can understand why people ask this. It's a very important question. At the end of the day, getting ranked in the search engines gives you free traffic from, Google, Bing, and so on. And so it's a valid point. Everybody wants free leads, free money effectively. So it's very important that your site ranks. Okay, so how do you do it and how do I know that it actually works? Well, I'm just going to bring up here an incognito tab so that we can do a quick search. Let me just pull that down so you can see what I'm actually up to here. So let's just say Kartra funnels, which is something which I would want to rank for because I actually have some pre-built Kartra funnels, which I'm going to show you about in just a second there. So as you can see, that's an ad, which is Kartra. And then we have this one here. Then we have Kartra.com. Kartra.com, obviously they're going to rank pretty well for their own product. And then there's me right there, jasonwest.com/funnel shop. So let's open that up right now. And you will see exactly what the page looks like and why it's ranking well. So there's the page, built-in Kartra. So 100% you can rank websites and pages in Kartra. It's a big page as well, so a lot of stuff on there. These are all the funnels that you can get, by the way. If you want to, literally grow your business and get in a funnel without all of the tech overwhelm very quickly, then I can help you out with that. All of these funnels here are available for you to import straight into your Kartra account with pages, emails, automations, everything done for you. Whether you're a coach, consultant, course seller, whatever you're doing with Kartra, there's definitely a funnel here for you. So that's how I know it ranks. I am ranking, for many search terms on the first page and doing very well. So with Kartra, the settings that you have to be able to do that, if I just go in and edit this page here, this is the page builder in Kartra. If I open it up, then we can have a look at the things that you can do to help rank your Kartra site and get good SEO results. So obviously the actual written words on the page are very important. Having a big sort of headline or what used to be, an H1 tag if you're with WordPress or HTML sites and things. You'd have a big sort of title tag. You'd have a big title right at the top. This one here says agency website funnel. But obviously, if we just go into the text there, we can alter this to be whatever you want on any page. And then the same with this text. So you want to be including your keywords in amongst the written text that's on the page, and also these headings here. All of these headings and subheadings, it's great to have your keywords in amongst them without keyword stuffing, the ancient old practice of whacking in the keywords as much as you can. And then when you read it, it just sounds awful. Right for a human being on your pages. Images, call those images when you upload them, the keywords as well. That does still work. That's another good little tactic that you can do. So there's lots you can do with the page. Make sure the images are optimized as well for speed. So we want to make sure they're mobile optimized as well, which you can do in Kartra. So if I click on mobile now, we know how Google places a lot of importance on your pages looking good on a mobile. And you've got that capability with Kartra, and also a tablet as well. You can check to see what your websites look like on a tablet, and you can see this looks pretty good. And then over to here, we go to the settings. Then there's the SEO parameters. So you've got some things here that you can do. You've got your page title, where you definitely need your keywords early on. Then your meta description that appears in Google. So let me go back here, just for those of you that are new to this. Sorry, let me see if I've got that there. Let's go File, New Incognito, and let's just do Kartra funnels, not funnels. We're not Spanish. There you go. Kartra funnels. So there we are. This is the title tag. This is obviously the URL, and you can make sure that you put your keywords in the URL as well. And then this is your meta description. So going back to Kartra, there you go. Page title, meta description. Keywords are in the background. No one really cares about the keywords, to be honest. You put them in, but we all know Google doesn't take that much notice of them. And then down here, you've got other options for when you share your page via social media, what it looks like, what the share looks like when someone puts in your URL, and then you can select a nice image there. Of course, if you're trying to get SEO rankings, for God's sake, make sure that this little radio button is not across like that. Otherwise, you'll be hiding this page from the search engines. And that, of course, is the last thing that you want to do. So that's a quick guide to how you would SEO your website if you're using Kartra, and does it actually rank? Can you rank a Kartra website? The answer is definitely yes. As I say, and I've shown you, I have top rankings with Kartra. So that's it from me. If you want to take a look at any of my ready-made funnels, just like this one here, and this very page that was built with Kartra, go ahead and have a look at the link underneath, jasonwest.com/funnel shop, and you too can import ready-made funnels made by myself with full video training to help you move along and grow your business as fast as possible with minimum tech overwhelm and stress. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon in another video.